I'm Buzz Nielsen from Sunset Chevrolet in downtown Sumner, Washington's #1 Chevrolet dealer for 15 years in a row. And I'm going to do a virtual video walk around for you on one of my favorite SUVs. It's a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LT package. Stock number is 7160A. The Avalanche is one of my all-time favorite SUVs. It's super comfortable, they ride unbelievable, very practical SUV, and this is a black one that everybody wants. The paint on this thing is spectacular. There's no rock chips, no dings. As you can see, this thing's absolutely beautiful. The tires are good. It has factory 20s, power folding mirrors. It's got the luxury package. And an Avalanche, of course, has very comfortable seating for 5 people. And this LT package with the luxury package has leather, Bose, heated seats, memory seats. I mean, this thing's absolutely loaded. Factory controls for the radio in the back seat as well for the kids. They can plug their headphones in, listen to music that they want to listen to. One of the coolest things about the Avalanche is all the storage you've got. You've got side compartment storage that locks. When you lock this car and you leave it, the tailgate locks. Inside here you've got a rubber mat so you can load the baseball gear, the camping gear, the golf clubs, whatever you want, tools. You close the tailgate and lock it, it's all locked and secure. You need to haul something tall, the hard panel comes out and you've got a regular truck. Tow package for the boat or trailer. I mean, this thing is extremely versatile, extremely comfortable. They ride unbelievable. Now, best of all, at no additional cost to you, this Avalanche comes standard with a lifetime powertrain warranty. If you're shopping at a store that doesn't provide you a no-cost lifetime powertrain warranty, you're shopping at the wrong store. Now, look how nice it is inside. I mean, this is a full luxury SUV, leather, 8-way power seats, heated seats, memory seats, Bose sound, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Virtually everything you could ever want, this Avalanche has. Now, not only do we have super clean, ultra-trick, low mileage 08 Avalanches like this one, but we have hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs here at Sunset Chevrolet in Sumner. For today's discounted internet price, call me at the number on the screen above. Check us out online at sunsetchev.com or send me an email. I'm Buzz Nielsen, and come see me today so I can show you how easy it is to drive home the truck or car of your dreams right now.